and today I'm making the famous chicken tikka masala in the Ninja Foodi. The first step is to marinate the chicken. I have around 1.5 pounds of chicken thighs. I have cleaned and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Next, I'm adding 1 cup of plain yogurt, 6 cloves of garlic minced, 1 tablespoon of ginger minced, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon garam masala powder. Cover and refrigerate it for at least 1 hour. The chicken has been marinating for some time now. I'm gonna dump all the chicken in this air fryer basket. And I will broil this for around 30 minutes till it turns some crispy and brown. It's been 15 minutes. Now I'm gonna flip over this chicken as it has browned from one side. So broil for another 10 to 15 minutes. It's been around 13 minutes. I'm taking the chicken out. Yeah, it looks done. So I'm just taking the whole air fryer basket out and placing it on the side. Let this spices stay in the pan and change the mode to sear sauté at high. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 large onion chopped. Sauté for a few minutes. Next, I'm adding 6 cloves of garlic minced or crushed, 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper powder, 1.5 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon kasuri methi or fenugreek leaves, 1.5 cup of crushed tomatoes in sauce, or you can use a mixture of crushed tomatoes and sauce, but I'm using a can which was already crushed tomatoes and sauce. Half cup chicken broth, or you can use water instead. Now I'm gonna pressure cook for 5 minutes at high. Quick releasing the pressure. Smells amazing. Change the mode back to sauté at medium. Adding half cup of heavy whipping cream. You can use up to 1 cup, but I generally prefer a little less creamy. One finely chopped serrano pepper, adding in the broiled chicken, Let simmer for around 5 to 10 minutes. At this point, you can add more water if you like it a bit thinner. The chicken tikka masala has been simmering for a few minutes and it looks just amazing. Smells amazing. I'm gonna dish it out and you can garnish it with fresh cilantro if you have it.